The popular girls at school have spread rumors about me.
I've been bullied.
And they make me feel like I'm different. Some of my friends have stopped hanging out with me.
They spread awful rumors about me.
I just don't get it. I don't know why I don't fit in.
But what did I ever do to them?
I don't understand what I did. I know that I can make friends.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium.
But it took half a to fall. And both times wanted
You raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones.
Why don't you sing class?
Talking loud, nothing bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium.
I'm taking a stand against bullying because it's wrong and hurtful, and it can